Salut, c'est Géraldine, bienvenue sur Commune Française TV, Sound French, even to the French. Sometimes you may think that the French language is actively conspiring to trick you into making mistakes. I'm not even talking about tenses, grammar, pronouns, or conjugation, no. But those words that have the same meaning in English and French, close pronunciation, and the same etymology, you think they would be spelled the same, right? Wrong. Let's dive in. Le trafic means the traffic. Like its English translation, le trafic can be applied to both business and transportation. In the business sense, it refers to something illegal like le trafic de drogue, drug traffic, or le trafic d'ivoire, the illegal ivory trade. When used for transportation, it's neutral. You could have un trafic fluide, flowing traffic, or beaucoup de trafic, heavy traffic. Then you would have un embouteillage, a traffic jam. Notice the single F, while the English word has two F's. I swear it's there to have you make une faute d'orthographe, a spelling mistake. La connexion, the connection, is mostly used in French for la connexion Internet. La connexion Internet, the Internet connection nowadays. The noun is always spelled with an X, un X, but the verb and adjective use CT in the spelling and pronunciation, just like the English word. For instance, un objet connecté, a connected object, or se connecter à Internet, to connect to the Internet. Though it's often misused, la connexion should not be used to apply to a travel connection. The French equivalent should rather be une correspondance. Are these subtleties here pour vous induire en erreur, to mislead you? Just maybe. Adresse. The French language loves its silent letters, especially the E, but we don't really like a double consonant before another consonant. And that's why we spell une adresse for an address. Nowadays, when someone asks you for your address, they can mean une adresse email, an email address, or une adresse postale, a mailing address. You can also ask for une bonne adresse, a good address, for a good place to eat or drink. L'adresse also means dexterity. Its opposite is la maladresse, clumsiness. From here we have the adjective adroit or adroite, meaning dexterous, and maladroit or maladroite, clumsy. The word adroite comes from la droite. Well, that's this side for you. The right, just like the term dexterity, since most people are less clumsy with their right hand. Similarly, an old-fashioned synonym for maladroit is gauche. Gauche, literally left. That's this side for you. So as French humorist and poet Raymond DeVos said, je suis gaucher. Je suis adroit de la main gauche et gauche de la main droite. Do you get it? Je suis gaucher. Je suis adroit de la main gauche et gauche de la main droite. I'm left-handed, so I'm dexterous with my left hand and clumsy with my right hand. Finally, s'adresser. S'adresser means to speak to someone. S'adresser. The other meanings of to address are better translated with other words, such as aborder un problème, to talk about an issue, and résoudre un problème, to fix an issue. Résoudre un problème. And also, just to continue further, a dress is une robe. A dress is une robe, like this one. And more. I've talked about 3 examples, but you can find more. For instance, la littérature for literature in French adds a T to the English literature. On the other hand, le mariage for marriage drops an R, and the French word is used for both the wedding ceremony and the married life. Actually, the language itself is misleading, and here I mean the word le langage for language, because it doesn't use the U like in English. To be fair, this word is only used in the abstract sense, as in an ability. To talk about a specific language, we use la langue, La langue, the tongue. So the French language is thus la langue française. La langue française. And finally, when you're very rich, don't forget in French, un ou une millionnaire. Millionnaire is spelled with two N's. Et toi, have you made these mistakes before? Which other words do you make spelling mistakes with? What type of small difference are the most misleading for you? Tell me in the comments below, I want to hear from you. If you're watching this on YouTube, you will find a link to the blog below the video. On communefrancaise.com, my site, I read all the comments and answer all your questions too. Did you like this video? Do you want more? Let me share exclusive lessons, private offers, and my 10 favorite Comme une Française handpicked episodes just for you. It's super easy to join. Leave me your first name and your email and I will get back to you straight away. Subscribe now to get my best content straight to your inbox. The fantastic stuff that's not even on YouTube. And the best thing is, it's all free. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV. Sound French even to the French. Allez, salut!